Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called NeuralText, and using this you can get your SEO content creation done. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards on this platform. Now if you scroll a little bit down, of course, since it is a text related AI software, it is going to be providing you a really nice text editor panel. You can see you have your right overview, headings, related keywords on the right side of your screen. You can see your SERP analysis. So this is a really great feature about this platform. You can see the outlines, explore, and even optimize the test. So you can see your scores for your text that you have added and your word count, topic score, reliability or readability. So this is going to be scoring and creating a report lively. Even though you are editing, it is going to be constantly updating. Now if you scroll a little bit down, you will get to know about its features, like for example your AI writing assistant. So this is going to be offering both inline and auto completion for effortless ideation, and contextual menu for advanced drafting options. Transform blog topic brainstorming into comprehensive draft seamlessly. So amazing AI feature inbuilt to this platform. You can also get your content research analysis. So what is the text is about, you can get an in-depth overview in a graphical manner. You can see your keyword and discovery clustering, performance unveiled, and much more. Now if you are still unsure about the platform, what you can do is simply go through different type of reviews left by people. So you can see the ease of use, featured, value for money, everything is rated almost 5-star, and people are saying that powerful content creation research tool and really nice, if you say, of feedback based system in here. So pretty much recommended. You can head over to the link in the description to simply access this and get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards on this platform. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.